Hello there, guys. Welcome back to a short online tutorial. Today we're based in Adobe Photoshop, and yet again, it's your good friend Jack from Blue Sky Graphics here to show you some cool stuff. What I want to do today, guys, is show you how you can blend text with smoke in Adobe Photoshop. A really cool idea that you can apply to many forms of graphic design, posters, fronts of magazines, menus. So just take the steps that I show you today and implement them within your designs, and you'll be able to create some really cool, aesthetically pleasing pieces of work. So the first thing I need to do is obviously create the text. I have this image here of this smoke. So what I'm now going to do is come through with our text tool here. And what I'm going to do is use the vertical type tool. I'm going to click on the artboard and we're going to write blue sky like so. And let's keep it to white. Now I want to increase the size of that text. I'm going to do it manually. So I'm going to come to the layer, make sure that layer is highlighted. I'm just going to press Command T for Mac users or Control T for Windows users to get your transform options open. I'm going to resize from the center point using the keyboard shortcut for Mac users Option, and for Windows users Alt. Let's get it to a point like so. Now let's use that and move that into a point like there. Make it maybe a little bit bigger. There we go. And let's just quickly use our alignment tools here. So I need to go to the three dots, just change that to canvas. And I want to get that aligned vertically center onto the document. Okay, so all we have here at the moment is just this image of smoke, and we have the type just sitting on top of it. But like I said, what I want to do is I want to blend that typography with the smoke layer underneath it. So what we need to do is manipulate our layer styles. And how do we get our layer styles open? Very simple. You can either go to effects down here, or what I simply do is just double click the layer, and that will bring up your layer style options here. And then as you can see here, we've got this underlying layer option. This is for the highlights and the shadows. And I'm just going to bring the highlights over like so. Then what I need to do is split this node. So the keyboard shortcut to do that for Mac users is Option. And for Windows users, that's Alt. I'm just going to bring that all the way over here, like so. And so we bring that about there, like so. And we press OK. And now, as you can see, that text is really blended in with that smoke behind it. And also as well, if you move that text anywhere, it will always be interacting with that smoke there, as you can see, to really create some really cool looking effects. If you're interested in finding out more about the school, the courses that we offer, please take a look at our website at blueskygraphics.co.uk. Thank you very much, guys. Take care, and I'll see you next time.